Wow. That is an actual disaster. We're about to build an engine in there. So I have a plan. I think I have a plan. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna pull the crank out of it because we ordered another set of bearings this time. Hopefully the right ones. They're going in it, right or wrong. Self-clearance. That's what these things do. It's a Ford. Self-clearance all day long. Cam bearings, don't know they're bad because, well, I'm just going to tell you I didn't look at them. So this motor is already getting way too much money put into it. I know this is like take 3007 on doing this damn thing, but it's just been one hiccup, and should I do it, should I not do it, for quite a bit now. But pistons are all hung, ready to go in. This is my engine clean room. So just in case you guys were wondering how to build high horsepower small block Fords or LS's, that'll be next. Then we got a small block. You gotta have a clean room. See how clean it is. That's clean litter. Clean litter. This is all clean aluminum. I don't think I showed any of this. I was out here playing with that a little bit, so that'll be quite a bit bigger. So I still got a lot of work, but I want to get this bottom end assembled. So I got all the bearings. I want to pull the crank out, hone it again real quick, slam the crank back in it, slam all the pistons and rods back in it, throw the new cam in it because we're putting the new cam right in the face of danger because you only live life once, guys. This whole deal with this car was to have fun. The wife's the one who told me I wasn't going to put the cam in it. I was going to barely slap it together and just, have it so I can move it around the driveway. She convinced me, build the effing motor. It's what you want to do it. Have fun. Now if I split it in half, who cares? The bottom end is junk. The cam is the only good part going in here besides these sacrificial bearings. I mean, I'm sure you've seen in the other clips if I showed what came out of it. Show it again, because maybe I won't use those. Their crank bearing. See them grooves? That's factory. Here's a rod bearing. See them? Factory. Speed grooves. That helps bring more oil. So we ordered another set of king bearings, because, might as well put the best cheap bearings one can buy. These are their aluminum series, I think. Really super reasonable, especially since I don't plan on this motor living a whole ton of miles. These were like 20 something bucks. Shipped, it was like 60 bucks for the pair. The rods were 20 over and the crank is 10 over. So hopefully I ordered the right ones this time. Looks like I did. As last time I ordered standard bearings. Didn't work. Another issue I've ran into, my keepers are not the same off my old valve springs as for the new trick flow valve springs. Again, my own damn fault. I could have measured, but that keeper don't fit. These were way bigger, so I gotta order keepers. Keepers are 70 bucks. So that's on the menu. I'll probably just upload this as a video. Yeah, I'll do that. This will be one big update video. Screw the rest of them. The heads are, well, they're heads still. Need to order valve seals, and I need to port this exhaust side. This one I started, it's all roughed in. I'm going to go back and sand disc all of them. I still need to do what? I need to do something, I know that. Any hoodle. Oh, I got to fix the intake side. So I ordered the putty to do that. Please hold. I had ordered this Moroso A and B putty, epoxy. This is supposed to be used for fixing intake runners and things like that. A lot of guys have had good good use with it. Good results I'm looking for. Oh, there's a cam card. Oh man, what? Oh, that's a lot. Ready? Okay. Now I'm actually gonna put this thing together. At least a short block. Because the heads I still need to finish. You've heard it all before. Same video, same story. But I got time right now. I'm gonna slam the pistons in it, put the crank in it. I'm gonna go through, I gotta clean everything, you know, I gotta clean the crank real quick. So I gotta clean that all off. Get that ready to go back in. Clean the lifters. I'm gonna get the cam in it. Basically get the bottom end short look done. Then it's just left to do the heads and the intake. The heads, I need to get the epoxy in there. Probably won't get that done today. Not gonna even lie. I just gotta mow the grass, and I'm lazy as shit. So I'm gonna get this built. Okay, I'm sure you've probably had enough of time lapse by now. I want you guys to enjoy my trailer park tuxedo here. I like to be comfy on Sundays. So, this is the last piston. We'll see if it fights me. I had one on this side that really fought me and just didn't want to go in. So I beat it mercilessly. Mercilessly. Is that a word? Yeah, see this one. There. Maybe. No, I don't know what we just did. Yeah, this is one with one of the stuck rings. Oh, nice. We popped it out. That's cool. That's a new trick. Alright, let's try that 7 more times. Okay. There it goes. Now it's going to cooperate.
Maybe. Anyways, so you want to do this, you want to do that. This is the side of motor that all the pistons are bad. Yeah, see? Right away. Doesn't want to fucking go in. This oil ring gets to the fucking bottom and wants to jump out before it gets into the cylinder. Okay, let's see. Let's cover the entire piston with the ring compressor. Get her into hole. Tighten her up. Tappa, tappa. And it popped out again. See if I can push it up because it's pissing me off. Nope, I had another cylinder on the side. This back one did the same thing. The oil ring would get there and it would spring out before the thing went in. Okay. Do it again. Tighten. I want to smash it so bad. But it's going to break that oil ring if I just smash it.
Alright, let's just try and fly past it. If we heard something, we heard it. I don't see it. But it's not moving. We did it again. I'm going to try and just push it in. I'm getting mad. Fuck this piece of shit. Haha, I win. Flip her over. Got my rod here with the bearing about to fall out because of all that shenanigans we just had to fucking do. Let's get the bearing back in. Should have put my hammer down so it couldn't run. You guys got me all nervous being on camera, man. Be cool, be cool. Alright, so now I'm going to take some of this assembly lube, put it on the threads there, get them all nice and covered. I'm telling you, you guys have got me all nervous. I've been fine working out here. Then you guys show up, and this is what happens. You just put a little bit of schmutz, a little assembly lube, get her covered. And on here we've got them marked, so I'm putting number to number, you know, number 5. Throw that on. Grab our 2 bearings. I'll tell you guys, this motor, definitely not a motor I would follow anything that I did on, unless you're desperate like me and just want to race your damn car. But you crank these bad boys down to 25 pounds. These are just Ford bolts here. These aren't ARP rod bolts or nothing. The rod's going to break before this bolt's going to break. So, it does have ARP main studs, or, you know, main studs in it. Those ARP calls for, I believe, 70 pounds. That's what I turked them to. And these are just a quick 25. Go back and forth. 25. 25. All right, let's spin this bad beast over one time. Let's see here. Oh, she's tight. Tight like a toiga. All right. All my pistons are in. I'm going to go through real quick. I'm going to throw the cam in it. Throw the front little block-off plate here on. Might throw the lifters and stuff in it. I don't know. And I think that's about it for today. I got to go mow the grass. Alright, just got done mowing the grass because, you know, to build an engine, you got to mow the grass. That's it. Short block is done. Cam is in. Everything is on. It's timed. Oil pump's on. Pickup's on. Oil pan's over here. Front cover's over here. Once those 2 are clean, those will go on. And then the bottom end will be basically 100% besides the rear main seal, which I got to put on once I take it off of here. So, there it is. That's our 600 horse small block Ford. I'm saying it. That little piece of junk is going to make 600 horse. Wait and see.